Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'm going to show you how to dropship on AliExpress. As you know guys, AliExpress is one of the most e-commerce platform, and most dropshippers use AliExpress to ship the product because the supplier accepts dropshipping. Then in this video I will show you step by step how to dropship any product on AliExpress. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First guys, I will give you an example and I will pick a random product, for example this one. Then I will show you how to dropship it on AliExpress as a dropshipper or as a buyer. Then guys, you need to select which color has the buyer selected and confirm the price, then the quantity on the right side. Then guys, automatically click on buy now. Then guys, this is the important step. You need to change the shipping address because each buyer has another address. Then you need to scroll down and click on add a new address. Then after adding the address, you need to select the payment method and make sure the card or MasterCard is available. Then guys, you need to contact the seller as a dropshipper. First guys, you need to go and click on this pin icon. Then you need to send a message to supplier. For example, please ship the product or the item without price. Without price. I am a dropshipper. Thank you. Then guys, automatically the suppliers know that you are a dropshipper. Then click on confirm. Then automatically go and click on pay now and make your payment. Then the suppliers confirm that you are a dropshipper and they will ship the product without price. Then guys, this is the easy method to dropship on AliExpress without no risk. As you see guys, it's very easy. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.